why can't Meghan ever become queen? Unless the rules are changed, which has happened before. But in general, the line is simple. The crown goes from the late monarch to their eldest child. That's why Charles is king now, and his eldest son William is after him. But that doesn't make Charles's wife queen, and it will never make Kate queen either, because they married into the family. Instead, Camilla is now queen consort, a title kind of like first lady in the US. Once Charles passes, Camilla will not become queen. The crown will get passed down to William. And this all makes the title of queen consort really hard for Meghan to reach, because William actually has 3 young children who are all ahead of Harry in line for the crown.